One sunny morning, Arya is playing in Bloomville Park. He runs, laughs, and chases butterflies. Suddenly, squish! He steps into something sticky and purple. Yuck! What's this? Just then, the flowers nearby start sneezing. Achoo! Puff! Glitter flies into the air. Wait, did that rose just sneeze? Arya thinks. From a soda can pops out a tiny garden gnome. Hello, I'm Tom, he says, brushing chip crumbs off his beard. The park is in trouble. People are throwing trash everywhere. The flowers are getting sick. The bees are tired. We need help. Arya looks around. He sees wrappers on the grass, bottles near bushes, and even a plastic cup on a flower's head. That's not okay, Arya says softly. I love this park. Smiling, hopeful, Tom smiles. Then let's save it, together. Tom gives Arya a funny-looking mop and a singing dustpan named Swishy. Arya laughs. All right, team, let's clean. They pick up trash from behind bushes. They clean the pond where the ducks play. Arya even pulls a straw out of a squirrel's tiny helmet. But then, the biggest tree in the park, the glimmer tree, starts drooping. It's losing its magic, Tom says. Arya thinks hard. Maybe all it needs is a big, clean hug. He runs up, gives the tree a squeeze, and says, "We'll take care of you." Suddenly, sparkle, sparkle, the tree glows, flowers bloom, bees buzz with joy. The magic is back. Now the park is clean and full of happy sounds. Arya smiles, holding his mop like a hero. Tom waves. You didn't just clean the park, Arya. You helped nature feel happy again. Before Swishy starts singing again. Want to join my next adventure? Arya giggles. Hit subscribe